Let me check. Just give me a minute, class.
And my camera is off for 2 minutes because I'm going to take my book from the cupboard.
Just get hold of your book quickly, children. Unit number 8, Nobody's Friend. The poem, Nobody's Friend. We are going to do that today. Dhyan, do you have a question? Seven children are there. Who's missing? Oh, wow. He's still celebrating birthday.
Dad. Ma'am, can you tell us the mascot for the
I am presenting the screen. Just a minute, please. Today we're going to start with a new chapter. Please open your NCERT book, page number 130. Page number 130. Are you all able to hear? See the presentation? Give me a thumbs up, please. Children,
No,
give me a
ma'am,
thumbs up.
your voice is...
Huh?
Ma'am, your presentation is visible.
Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Okay, children, I'm playing the presentation. We'll just see the poem and then I'll explain.
Nobody's friend. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle
Online
he
class,
wouldn't
are you
lend.
people able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. But I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. CALP, Cognitive Academic Language Proficiency. She had some sweets. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. But I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. Cult, cognitive, academic.
Okay, children. So did you understand the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is it telling us about? It is
Ma'am?
comparing two different children. Who are those two children?
Ma'am, one who doesn't share his anything and one who shares his all things.
Very good. One is a child who shares everything with others, and the other is the child who doesn't share anything at all. So, which one would you like to be?
Ma'am, who shares?
We would like to be the one who likes to share everything with others, right? Because sometimes it happens that someday you've not brought something, right? And these people will not share. What, Dhyan? Rahil doesn't share? He doesn't share, Dhyan? Very bad. Sharing is caring. You've not heard sharing is caring. Okay, can we behave the way we used to behave in the online class? Just raise our hands and not open our mouths.
Yes, ma'am. We can behave.
No, ma'am. Ayush, I'm done with you.
Then first I was not saying anything. Then my mom told me 10 times. Then I listened once.
So you have to be told 10 times for you to listen. You should listen in the first time itself, no, Karnav? Right? It is that sometimes we will also be in the same situation, right? Sometimes, suppose I have not brought my pen, or my partner has not brought the. Both of you, please walk out of the class, have a nice chat, and come back whenever you want to wish. I told you to get up from this place and move to the next bench. Come on. Less of you sitting together, less of nuisance in the class. Now he's going to get up tomorrow. Drag yourself to the next. Come on. Don't get up. Drag yourself. I'm not talking to you. Don't poke your nose. So sometimes what happens, my partner has not brought the pen and I have 3 pens in my pouch. So what should I do? I should share my pen, right? Because it is a possibility that tomorrow I might forget my pouch at home. So he will also not share if you don't share, right? He will remember your kindness, that you've been kind to him yesterday, so he'll be kind to you today, right? Yes, Kevna. Shh.
So I said with the coach, me, Krisha, and me, you and I said this like almost everybody, but some people. So after that, I forgot my grandmother of course.
See, so what happens when you are kind, you get kindness in return, right? The other person will not say that I will not give. He will not be able to say. He will feel guilty that she gave me and today I am not giving. He will feel bad,
Ma'am?
right?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
See, such a good class I have. You people are so sharing and caring for your classmates. Yes, Rudra Jajadia.
Ma'am, I have 2 cycles. I gave one of my cycle to my friends, and when he brought some chocolates, he shares me. And when my cycle is having some problem, he gives his cycle.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
in my friends, I am only having one football. Ma'am, my mother and my daddy tells that don't take it down. Everyone will means what? Will
Then,
broke it. So
listen. Then,
then
what do
also
you
I
do?
uh, take it, and everyone
Plays with it.
plays with it, and they gives their things also.
So,
Ma'am, can I say?
yes, Yash.
Ma'am, my one friend is there. So whenever we want food, ma'am,
Yeah.
we don't eat food. So we otherwise we go to play at his house. Like we play games and everything. Then otherwise we do off-roading and cycles.
Very
Then
good.
otherwise, we play football or we play badminton.
Good. So, what do we learn from this poem? That a person who doesn't share, nobody wants to be friend with that person, right? Nobody wants to be friend with that rude person. Yes, Vedi.
There is a girl who share anyone. The last paragraph.
What is it?
But I will share all my sweets with you.
Hmm.
My ball and my books and my games I will leave
Hmm.
here.
Hmm.
Half my apple and half my tea.
Hmm. One second. Why did you change your place? Please monitor. You have to take care of this. That nobody changes the place. Freya. Freya.
Give it all to my friends. They. I only get one set out of them. I share every time. So sometimes so I share every time and I ask someone they barely want to share a thing. And you
So, see, children, see, Ayush Singhania, you have a very bad habit of using two things, hand and mouth together. So, I'm not going to allow you to speak.
And now I was saying that it is good to share, like what happens.
But see, we expect, what I'm saying is, when we do kindness to someone, we expect the same from them, right? But it totally depends on the other person whether he's going to behave in the same manner as we behaved with him in those times or not. If it behaves in the same, if that person behaves in the same manner, well and good. But if he doesn't behave in that manner, it should not affect your behavior towards him. Don't stop your kindness. Don't stop sharing. Don't change your views. Right. He force him. Be so kind to him. Be so nice to him that you force him. You become the reason for his kindness. Yes. Yeah.
When I don't bring my book, Rohi ma'am told us to not bring your book. Ma'am. When I bring his book, then also he stamped me because he was my best friend and he.
This is wrong. This is wrong. You can't support your friends. Yes, Aryaman had to say
You're
something.
coming and
Aryaman,
going. You're stuck and going. Stuck and going. Your network is not
I'm
working.
stuck. I'm
No,
frozen.
ma'am, you're not stuck. You're clear.
Ma'am, you know,
What, Anushka?
ma'am, do you,
Okay. Ayush has to say something.
ma'am, can I say
1 minute.
after
I'm coming back
Ayush?
to you.
After Ayush,
I'm coming back to you. Yeah.
I always share with my friends, but sometimes when I like something a lot of eating, I usually
Tell them to pay attention to what you're saying.
they always talk about it. So, I was saying that I'm a different family altogether. I usually share. But when something of eating I like a lot and it is going to be finished, my father has given me some. I cannot.
So the last piece you want to eat. Okay. So we've understood what we are going to do, right? We are going to follow kindness even if we don't receive kindness in return, right? Okay. Yes. We have to be so kind to the person that it changes or forces them to change their behavior. Okay. Now coming back to 22nd of December. First of all, wait, let me just get back to them because what is on 22nd?
ma'am, poem, ma'am, my poem for half learned.
Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am.
I can't see you. You can't see me. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we can't.
Ma'am, you're stuck. Ma'am, you stuck.
Ma'am, your camera is off. Ma'am, your hand stuck.
Hello, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened to ma'am? Is ma'am please use this?
Ma'am has leave. Ma'am has left the class. Ma'am,
Hello, Catherine ma'am.
Back.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Okay. So I was reminding you all,
Ma'am, your
I have
camera
sent the dictation in the classroom. Please prepare for the dictation. It is going to be held next Tuesday. It is going to be in your notebook. So it is important for you to join on time. And the second thing I'm saying was, I have, kind of please stand up and walk out. If I'm talking to the online class, it doesn't mean that it's not important for you to hear. I am talking to both of you. Even if I'm seeing them, the message is for both of you. Are you able to hear me?
Ma'am, you are stuck. We are able to hear you, but your camera is
Okay, you
stuck.
are able to hear me, no? So listen carefully. I have posted some poems in the class. Listen carefully. I have posted some poems in the class and I've assigned the groups already. I hope you've seen it. It's been more than a week that I've posted those poems. I want to hear those poems tomorrow once.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to hear that poem tomorrow once.
Ma'am, I
And
will
the
do because
final one I am going to hear on 22nd. Okay. Tomorrow, just a rough preparation I want to hear.
ma'am,
Okay.
I had learned most. I only one paragraph is left.
Rudra, I can't hear you because these people are not keeping quiet. Tell them to keep quiet.
Ma'am, only my one paragraph is left.
Okay, fine. Great.
learn one and a half
Tomorrow,
paragraph.
tomorrow in the online class, we are just going to do the poem recitation. Okay.
Of English.
No, it's okay. It's okay if you don't bring. Got it, all of you? Tomorrow, a rough demonstration of the poem that you want to do. Now, another thing, offline class, please pay attention. I don't understand. You people are half of what is supposed to be.
Ma'am,
And
we can do any poem or we have to do like I am in group so I have to do first poem, no?
yeah, the one which is allocated to you.
Okay.
Okay, so this has to be done since it's been 2 years. Children, listen carefully, and you all too. You please do, both of you change your place. And I don't think you people were together. So where were you? And where are you? You're there. No, you two will not sit together because you're getting messier.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ayush was sitting with me. Ayush was sitting with me.
Yeah, I'm sitting with Dhyan. This is Dhyan's place.
Dhyan, your place is secure. Don't worry.
I was sitting with Sahil.
Okay. Let me please complete the instruction. I have to go to the other class.
EVS.
10:15. Okay. So the instruction is tomorrow is a rough demonstration of the poem that you're going to do in the class. The points that you need to keep in mind. First of all, since it's been 2 years, we have never had a stage demonstration. A stage demonstration. So I want my children to say this poem on the stage on 22nd of December with a mic. Let's get back on track. Let's get back on track.
And and we.
Of course. Why? That's the reason of my dividing it to you in groups. No, No.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Can I? May I? All of you have to say the individual poems, individual whole poem of your own. I have divided you in group so that the same. What happened during Diwali? I had given you the poem, and what did you all do? Chose the easiest one and said the poem. So I didn't want this to happen again. So I allocated the poems. Right? So now you will learn the whole poem. You will be graded for this in your report card for under the speaking skills. All of you have to go to the stage and say the poem. Tomorrow we have to do a practice in class. Tomorrow is Saturday, no? Friday, Saturday we'll do practice.
Ma'am.
It is more important for these two to see what she's doing than to pay attention on me. So for me also, they don't exist if I don't exist for them.
Ma'am, what will
I can't hear about both of them.
So no one will sing the same poem. No, there are 4 poems.
Catherine, ma'am, is my camera clear? Because it's from here it's very blur. Is it clear?
What is it, Anushka?
Ma'am, is my camera clear? Because it's looking blurred from here.
Yeah, your camera is looking blurred. It's okay. Just wait. Let it be. Let it be. Wait.
Catherine, ma'am.
Rudra, wait. Rudra, what is it?
Ma'am, what will we do when you will go to stage?
When I go to the stage, you will just sit
Ma'am,
idle.
now is it clear?
That's the reason we are calling you to school. But you people are not listening, so it's your
Ma'am,
choice.
is my camera clear?
Well, I can't carry you in my. I am sending the bus, but you are saying I don't want to board the bus, so sorry.
Ma'am, I am coming from tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
So all of you, I want you all to see you. I want to see you all on the stage on 22nd. So please come soon.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, ma'am, we had met in November only when I came to take my uniform.
I know. John do not participate. And he is also there.
All those who not participate will go to the principal's office in a line. Or will be absent, will go to the principal office next day.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, on your mic. Dhyan and me is also coming to school.
Yes. On Monday. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Jandalal.
Ma'am, you know, I
don't know.
have 2 friends.
What?
Ma'am, I have 2 best friends.
2 best friends. Okay, who are they?
One is Guna, who is
Gunav is absent today.
No, he was on online class.
So he prefers not to attend my class. What do I do?
He came and he left.
He doesn't like me. He doesn't like me.
And second is in fifth A. You know him or not? I don't know. Vivan Patel. That yeah. Small.
Aryaman, Anushka, Dhyan. I want you in the school on 22nd.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll be there.
I am coming.
Dhyan, Rudra, Yash.
Come to school
Sorry.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Because I'm
Yash,
not well.
coming to India.
And ma'am, we
Yash, when are you coming to
What,
India?
ma'am?
When are you coming to India?
Ma'am, because no flight is there. Otherwise,
No what? Flight is there.
flight. Yeah.
Oh, you don't have
Ma'am,
Christmas
but there
flights
will be a flight to Mumbai.
Christmas flights.
No, ma'am, but I want to come to school. My mother says that you can go to school, but there is no flight only.
Oh. What is it? Give me a minute. ये भी हमारी नहीं, ये ईवीएस की दूसरी बुक, ये एक्चुअल,
यस मैम।
ये एक्चुअल बुक है हमारी, तो मतलब ईवीएस की वो बुक भी हमारी नहीं हुई ना। आगे वो निकालो
नहीं
EVS।
मैम, दो टाइप की बुक चाहिए
ऐसा
उसमें एक में ड्राइंग करने का होता है, डायग्राम बनाने के लिए।
हाँ, तो इसके बाद दोनों इंटरलीव है।
नहीं, ये वेगन इज कंप्यूटर। यस
ये मैथ्स हमारी नहीं है, ये मैथ्स हमारी नहीं है।
मैम दिस इज फॉर इंटरनेट, इट
हाँ,
हेल्प्स टू
ड्रॉ डायग्राम्स, ठीक है।
एंड दिस इज फॉर राइटिंग।
They should know what is going on in the school. Children, the time is up for today. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
They didn't know. I told them in the morning.